Welcome to Grimsby Sunblinds. Today I'm going to show you how to reprogram a remote control Vision or roller blind. You do have a top destination when the blind will automatically stop, and you also have one at the bottom when it reaches the bottom. From time to time you may need to reprogram these, as they can differ and change slightly. If you just turn the remote over, if you can see that, it's got a limit button and a confirm button. Now, to change the settings, you hold down the limit button until the motor jogs. You may just see it there. Then you press the down button until it gets into the position where you want it. And you press the stop button once you're close to where you want it. And now it's still in program mode, so you do have fine adjustment by tweaking it up and down to get it to your desired position. Once you're happy with it, turn the remote back over, press the confirm button till it jogs, and then you do the same process up at the top. Once you're happy with it, stop it. Again, you can fine tune it, which will just jog it up and down. And once you're happy, press the confirm button and it's done.